Presenting the Chevrolet 2018 Silverado 2500HD work truck crew cab pickup. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are Preferred Equipment Group 1 WT, Standard Suspension Package, Trailering Equipment, WT Convenience Package, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Premium Audio System, Chevrolet MyLink, radio, AM/FM stereo with Chevrolet MyLink and air conditioning. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.